Ambient Dynamics Audio is an American company, a very small American company that just released a new IEM. They are calling this new model the Lyndale. It's named after their local city. The founders wanted an affordable entry IEM that people can afford, that is not too costly. The Ambient Dynamics Lyndale went through several beta models that were tested across so many varieties of content, music to be precise, and it's really good. It's really good. It looks quite beautiful. Um, Specs for it is really top notch. First of all, it's coming with a 10mm dynamic driver. It is coming with a balanced armatures in it as well. And its shell is well made. The construction is really top notch. The Lyndale is hand tuned, and there is a quality check in place when you buy any of the products, but especially this product. The Lyndale features very pronounced bass from what they're describing, and it really hits hard. 10mm dynamic driver sensitivity is 109 decibels. 109 decibels. Impedance is 12 ohms. It's coming with an 8-core oxygen-free copper cable. It is going to be priced at $200. It is not cheap, and it's not too cheap like the cheapest products you can buy. It's not the cheapest, but it is good enough. So it's just the report right now. It's looking quite okay. Not bad at all. So do subscribe. I will leave the product description so you can go buy. So if you're interested, do subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.